everybody. Thanks for watching. I am out on a morning ride right now by myself and wanted to share with you some footage that we got last weekend when we went down to a car show. So we hit this little town that is about an hour south of Indianapolis called Martinsville, and they had a classic car and motorcycle show. So we were absolutely all over that. We did get footage of the ride down there, but that footage is unusable because my camera was recording in 4K and the setting was off, so I can't use any of the footage from the ride. But we did get footage of the cars, so I wanted to share that with you now. Being in Indiana, we're lucky because all summer long there are no shortage of classic car shows. I would say there's probably one every single weekend, so we are going to do our best to get to these awesome car shows and share the footage with you. So if you stay tuned, you'll get to see some of the awesome shows, or some of the awesome cars that we got to see. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support my channel and like if you like the video. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
And we're ride naked because we ride naked bikes.
Oh.
And our bikes are at the end of, I believe it's this row. It's me and my husband.
Okay.
But I'm Moto Girl Bree.
Can I take a picture of it?
Sure.